Amai Auxilia Mnangagwa votandaniswa kuDubai kwamunoona kuti ndiko kwavanotizira vakanoatenda the summit. Vaonekwa kunzi kuLondon vakablokiwa kuti atende the Flair summit yemadzimai. Sindapinda mashoko avaya vachiudzwa vanhu vatoshaya kutoti hezvo maZimbabweans zvanenge vasingachatodi utungamiri huripo panguva ino. Subscribe, like, on the bell icon. Amai Mnangagwa vanoposta this post yamurikuona yakanzi I joined fellow first ladies from Africa and Asia on the 7th edition of MEC Foundation First Ladies Initiative MFFLI Summit in Dubai. As the guest of honor, my keynote address hinged on my initiatives at home through my foundation, Angel of Hope Zimbabwe, in collaboration with the MEC Foundation. Doctors received scholarships to train in critical specialties, medicines, obstetrics, gynecology, and pediatrics, skills which are very important in Zimbabwe as we head towards the upper middle class economy Vision 2030. The doctors now serve in both urban and rural areas. In education, my foundation offers scholarships to underprivileged girls for them to acquire quality education. This helps reduce child marriages, prevention of trans and unwanted pregnancies. Vaboposa mapicha samurukona awa. Tubina ma comments. Vanhu vakubuda vanyora vachiti back in Zimbabwe, no reliable electricity, no clean tap water, no roads. It's just vibes and looting. Mwanopinda wachiti sit down. Mwanopinda wachitenda achiti thank you mother of the nation. Mwanopinda wachiti musandise muzera mhepo mama in angel's voice. How many kgs did you carry with you? Mwanopinda wanyora achiti it's said there was no one there to stop you from speaking lies. A girl child is suffering in rural areas. Kids cannot even go to school. They don't even have classrooms, but you are in Dubai saying that. Why? The difference is most of them, their husbands were genuinely elected. You are an illegitimate first lady. Carry head of the looting enterprise that has turned Zimbabwe into a family business. The look on this lady's face says it all. You can't buy legitimacy. You are not ashamed. Shame on you. What happened to the UK? There is no honor among these. Mashoko tunoona vanhu vakatora mashoko akasiyana-siyana amuri kuona kuti vanhu vari kuuya vachikondema aiwa the first lady Amai Auxilia Mnangagwa pavanouya vachipresenta over the summit kuDubai. Pinda comment section medu muze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.